Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you honest reviews and recommendations for all your skincare needs. Today, I'm thrilled to talk about a product that's been making waves in the beauty world, the Under Eye Patches by CÉLOR. If you struggle with dark circles and puffiness like many of us do, you're going to want to stick around for this review because this just might be the best concealer color for dark circles out there. These under eye patches are more than just your average skincare treatment. Infused with a powerhouse blend of amino acids, collagen, and other nourishing ingredients, these golden eye masks promise to tackle dark circles, puffiness, and even fine lines. Let's dive into what makes these patches stand out from the rest. First off, they're incredibly easy to use. No need to book an expensive spa appointment. Simply pop them on under your eyes, kick back, and relax for a rejuvenating experience. Now, let's talk results. I know many of you are wondering, do they actually work? Well, I put them to the test, and the verdict is in. These patches deliver. After consistent use, I noticed a significant reduction in both the appearance of dark circles and puffiness. My under eye area felt hydrated, plump, and refreshed. But what sets these patches apart is their versatility. Whether you're a busy bee on the go or prefer a spa-like experience at home, these patches cater to your needs. Plus, they're vegan and cruelty-free, so you can feel good about what you're putting on your skin. In conclusion, if you're on the hunt for an effective solution to banish dark circles and puffiness, look no further than the Under Eye Patches by CÉLOR. Trust me, your under eye area will thank you later. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more skincare tips and reviews. Until next time, stay glowing.